Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys in this video guys how to fix screen rotate problem. Friends, when you own any app on your vivo phone device and friends your screen rotate automatic, so when how to fix screen rotate problem on vivo phone, today friends we will talk about in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, first of all open your phone setting to fix screen rotate problem. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your vivo phone. So friends, you will have to click on display and brightness setting. Friends, click here. Friends, after on display brightness you can use friends here auto brightness means adaptive brightness. Friends, you will on friends your brightness will increase and decrease automatic. So guys, we will off it. Friends, eyes protection mode setting is here, screen time mode setting. So friends, click on auto rotate screen and off it. After off friends, your problem will solve friends. Now you can use friends any app on your device and friends your screen will not rotate automatic. Friends, you can see the screen will not rotate on our device. So friends, you can use guys any app on your vivo phone device. Friends, your screen will not rotate automatic. So like that friends, we can fix screen rotate problem on vivo mobile. So friends, you can fix from shortcut setting also. Direct friends, click on search option and friends search your auto setting. Friends, you can see auto rotate screen. Direct friends, click here friends you want to use. So you can on after on friends you want to rotate your vivo phone screen. So friends, you can rotate your screen and friends you can see screen rotate only you have on your vivo mobile. So friends, you can fix from your phone search option. Direct friends search your auto rotate screen setting and friends off your auto rotate screen and guys your problem will solve. Friends, now you can use guys any app on your vivo mobile without rotate screen. So like that friends, we can fix screen rotate problem. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.